Okay team, let's move on to the next question. Question number 31, again from the chapter 1. Which is the activity that definition and implementation of temporary program offices? So here we need to understand which are the temporary offices. So read the question carefully and then we can understand what are the options. Transfer the realization benefits to operational environment, create a vision statement for the office, define the future state of blueprint, identify existing process defined by COE that may be used. Take a pause and write your understanding what would be the correct answer. So let's solve this. So which is an activity in the definition and implementation of a temporary program offices? So I believe the identify existing process defined by COE that may be used would be to good start. That would be the correct answer here. That is the correct answer. That COE, the rationale behind that, a COE typically provides following. When a temporary program office is defined, supply standard process tools and templates, provide advice on tailoring processes to meet the standards. Okay. Question number 32. Why do a senior managers needs to agree on which PPM problems they rate as a critical? Option A, allow the P3O sponsor to gain consensus on a common P3O vision. Option B, defines portfolio prioritization optimization technique. Option C, define lifestyle of implementation of a permanent P3O. And option D, justify the senior management in the investment of the P3O. Why do senior managers need to agree on which PPM problem they are rate as a critical? So I believe that is in the very beginning to identify the core issues, and accordingly you have to define your vision. So I believe option A would be the correct answer, that allow the P3O sponsor to gain consensus on a common vision. So that would be the correct answer. Let's understand. Yes, that is the correct answer. Move to the next question. Question 33. Which office within the P3O model provides delivery support to identify process of a program office? So I believe in the delivery support, let's evaluate the option A, temporary program office, option B, COE, option C, organization portfolio office, and option D, temporary project office. Which office within the P3O model provides delivery support to the identify process of a program? So I believe it's which project to be identified, and that and in the permanent office. So I believe organization portfolio office might be the right answer, because COE is not providing delivery support. They are into training and all. Yes, so that is the correct answer, because they are providing a delivery support by identifying the program that we need to invest or not. Okay, so that is the correct answer. Question number 34. What elements of a P3O model provides centralized services? So project office, program office, hub portfolio office, or organization portfolio office. So as you see that centralized services. So centralized services, I believe your organization portfolio office is providing centralized. So there are centralized model, decentralized model. So I believe the D is the correct answer. Yes, because organization portfolio office in the P3O model will provide centralized services. Question number 35 says, which describe an objective of portfolio management? So now this is a very direct question. Objective, let's understand one by one. Option A says, collect in one place all the information and organization investment initiative. Option B, enable the most effective balance of the organization change and business as usual. Coordinate the implementation of set of related projects and the activities. I think it's related to your program level stuff. Achieve outcomes, realize benefits that are strategic importance of the business. Yes, that might be the correct. Collect all information. So I believe option A, B, and C all are correct, but most correct would be this B, that effective balance of your organization change and business as well. So that is a graph that this is your change initiative, this is your business as well. So this is a balancing act, that whatever profit you are getting, you are investing in the new initiative, and then these capabilities you develop and become your business as well. So that is a balancing act. So I believe B would be the most correct answer. Yeah, that is the correct, that enable the most effective balance of the organization change and business as usual is the objective of the portfolio. Okay, thank you.